Hello, welcome to Code Plus. Today we will discuss about various types of constructors and destructor. A constructor is a special type of member function of a class which initializes objects of that class. In C++, constructor is automatically called when an object is created. It is a special member function of a class because it does not have any return type. So, the first question is, how do we differentiate a constructor from a normal member function? Constructor has same name as the class itself. It does not have any return type. It must be placed on the public section of a class. A constructor is automatically called when an object is created. If we do not specify a constructor, C++ compiler generates a default constructor for object. There are three types of constructors: default constructor, parameterized constructor, and copy constructor. Default constructor is a constructor which does not take any argument. That means it has no parameter. It is possible to pass arguments to constructors. Typically, these arguments help initialize an object when it is created. To create a parameterized constructor, simply add parameter to it. A copy constructor is a member function which initializes an object using another object of the same class. We pass the reference of the source object as a parameter. So, the second question is, can we have more than one constructor in a class? Yes, a class can contain more than one constructor. It is called constructor overloading. Whenever we define one or more constructors with parameters, a default constructor should also be defined, as the compiler should not provide a default constructor in this case. However, it's not necessary, but it's considered to be the best practice to always define a default constructor. Destructor is an instance member function which is invoked automatically whenever an object is going to be destroyed. Meaning, a destructor is the last function that is going to be called before an object is destroyed. The thing is to be noted here: if the object is created by using new, or the constructor uses new to allocate memory which resides in the heap memory or the free store, the destructor should use delete to free the memory. So, this is all for today's session. For more benefits and to get updated, subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share with your friends, and comment down your queries. Keep learning and keep coding. See you in the next video.